saw it happen. I mean, just right when it did it, I looked up.
Wow,
It
that's
took out
loud.
that dolphin.
Well, look at the side.
Oh yeah, completely mangled.
Yeah. Hope nobody got hurt.
Holy shit. I think I fell asleep. The reverse is working. We had reverse. Oh man, those guys are, that's crazy.